Naman sa ating second floor. Dito sa second floor natin, meron tayong total of 3 bedrooms. And ipa-appreciate ko lang dito sa area na to, yan, meron tayong double height ceiling. And meron din tayong fixed window dun sa area na yon, and as well as dito, may window pa rin tayo. Unahin ko ito. Ito yung ating bedroom number 1. Yan. Okay naman siya kahit single size bed na lang ilagay mo para at least may space ka pa rin na gagalawan. Yan siya. As well as dito. Pakita ko lang. And dito ulit tayo. Meron tayo ditong vanity area and cabinet. And kung napansin nyo sa ground floor, meron tayong ground floor toilet and bath. Dito naman, meron pa rin tayong common pero naka-Jack and Jill access pa rin siya. Tara. Ito yung ating common toilet and bath dito sa second floor. Complete set of fixtures, naka-glass shower enclosure, and nakaabang ito for your single point water heater. Dito na tayo dumaan. And this is our bedroom number 2. For our bedroom number 2, may tayong cabinets, vanity area, and as well as may mga windows tayo. And nakaabang for your window type aircon. And this is our master's bedroom. For our master's bedroom, ito yung space mo for your bed. Yan, kaya dito kahit queen size bed. And ang maganda dito, yung wall nito is meron na rin tayong fluted panel as accent. And then dito naman tayo. Ito yung master's toilet and bath. Kita nyo naman, complete set of fixtures. Plus, nandito pa rin yung ating bathtub, which is included talaga siya sa package. And nakaabang ito for your multi-point water heater. And lastly, ito yung ating balcony. Kaya kung interested ka at nagustuhan mo tong ready for occupancy unit namin dito sa Grand Park Place, Imus, nandiyan sa description box yung full details at ang aming contact numbers. Thank you for watching!